Walsh takes on such interesting work. You never have a dull moment. It makes you want to come to work. My name is Rick Anderson. I am a general superintendent for Walsh Construction. This is a CTA RPM job. There's 50 people approximately on the site today. The biggest challenges on the job are logistics, trucking, getting equipment in and out, trying not to affect the neighborhood. People aren't used to construction in their backyard. The machines we have are excavators for taking the dirt and concrete out. We have breakers that bust the concrete up. We have processors on one. We have 2 concrete saws and 2 grinders that grind it and cut the wall so we can take it out in sections along the building. The determination of what equipment we needed was because of the amount of space we have. And naturally with an excavator, you have to be able to have the reach. It would be great to have massive machines in here to just tear it up and get gone with it, but you can't do that. It has to be sized to what will fit. We have 13 235 Volvo excavators and 2 355 Volvo excavators. 4 Volvo loaders go from L90s to 120s. There's different size attachments. We added rotators so that you could angle them and turn them, and it makes it where you can get in easier because everything about this is tight. The biggest feature that the operators really love is the 360 cameras where they can see around them. The zero turns are a must because we don't have room.
I am on the Volvo 355. I go from the hammer back to the bucket, depending on what's needed at the time. I like because they do exactly what I tell it to do. Because a lot of them, they always have a delay in the joysticks or whatnot, so they do exactly what I tell it. They're very smooth. And of course, the zero turn is always the greatest thing.
This type of job is a JV project, so we look at buying stuff first, and then from there, if there's supplements or rental stuff, that's when we start reaching out to other companies, and Alto's coming in real aggressive and getting us the right prices and support. Volvo's got a nice product. There was really no brainer on going with the Alto equipment, and the service has been great.
We like to sit down with the customer, get a scope of the project, see exactly what they're needed for their operations, so we can be prepared to give them the proper equipment, service, rentals at that time.
When we need service with Chicago traffic, it's going to take you a while. On this particular job, we employed one of their mechanics as a rent-a-wrench so that we have the availability for him to be here all the time. Demolition is rough on machines, and you try not to put new machines doing that, so you use the older ones, and they're still reliable even though they're old. The biggest thing is the service, and along with the availability, let's face it, everybody's after the most bang for their buck, and that's where they've come in to be really competitive, and it's quality machine too. Gotta love the train.